wonderful people, it's Groovy Mom here. I am a couple hours out from having some friends over, and I'm going to put some quick snacks together for them. But one of the things I want to put together is some salsa, and it's super easy. I really like to get pico de gallo at the store and have it in the refrigerator all the time because I love to put it on eggs, or if we're just having some chips or whatever. But it's kind of expensive to do all the time. I think it's maybe like $2.50 for a pint of it, to get it at Walmart, which is the closest place for us to shop here. So I've been trying to get back to making it myself again. So I do that and I put it in a big jar, and then I can just use it whenever I want. But I'm kind of doubling up because I'm going to have that salsa, but then I'm also have this Mexican sour cream dip that I'm going to make that I'm going to use that in. So I'm just kind of trying to simplify that. But since I'm making the dip and it's quiet in the house, I thought I would bring you along and show you how to make it. And again, just to reiterate that I do not have a food processor, nor do I have a blender, so I have to use my magic bullet. So if you have a food processor or a blender or something that works better for you, by all means, use it. All right. And so here we have the majority of the ingredients that we're going to need, the obvious basics that you would use to make salsa. We've got, where's my finger? Whatever. Here we got cilantro. I have some canned tomatoes, just diced tomatoes. These are fire roasted and they have some spices in them, but they're spices that I'm already using, so they should not interfere with the end product. I have onion and I have a jalapeno. I also have, this is one of my favorite things though, that I do get from Walmart, is already peeled garlic. So I'm going to use that in this recipe, and I think that's about it, besides like a little bit of lime juice and some cumin. So here we go. Okay, so like I said, I'm working with a magic bullet here, so it's a little different. I'm also doing something new. I have a little, it's cheap, but it's a little microphone attached because I notice that sometimes my voice leaves. But it's not a wireless mic or anything, so hopefully I don't walk away with it and end up ruining a lot of things. So if my tablet goes kaput, it was nice knowing you. Okay, so I have my 4 cans of tomatoes here, and you can be pretty flexible about what you want to use. You can use 2 cans of Rotel, or 2 cans of, like I had these fire roasted, 2 cans of regular. It's just up to you. It's really not going to make or break your recipe. And then I'm going to add some chopped onion, about maybe, that's about the size of 1 small onion. This also calls for, let's see, some garlic. So I love garlic, and I'm going to add this entire packet. Seems like a lot, but I guess I like a lot of garlic, so you can decide. At least you can't smell my breath from there. Oh, so like I said, I'm just gonna add the whole shebang. I don't give no. I'm gonna add that all in there, and then I'm gonna add my jalapeno, which I forgot to chop. So we're gonna just pause for a second, and I'll be back again. Bam! All right, so I got the jalapeno, whole thing. I removed most of the seeds, can't say all, but what they don't know don't hurt them. So then I also need a little bit of cumin, and we'll say about a half a teaspoonish. Again, adjust seasonings as you need and desire. Everybody's got kind of a different idea of how they like their salsa. I'm going to get out my lime juice. I'm not going to kill any limes today. I'm going to use lime that has already been separated from its body. Pretty liberal amount of lime juice. About a half a cup, I'd say. And I'm going to put the cilantro in, but since I don't have the the luxury of a larger mechanism to do this in, we're going to go ahead and do it as it is. I also don't have a wait. Maybe, I wonder if this is the cap to this. That would be, oh, I do have a cap. I haven't been able to find my cap for my thing for a long time, and that caused me a little bit of misery. Oh, I have a little slight nervousness about this. We'll see how it goes here. If I turn it off, it's because of catastrophe. Oh, it's got some protein shake on it, I think. I don't use this as much as my kids do, so I get it off the counter as much as possible because I hate having our counters so cluttered, but we have a small house. I can't do much about it. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead. I don't know what this is going to sound like if I do it, but I'm going to pulse this puppy on high. Nah, low. Low to make sure it doesn't explode on me. Yep. Okay, so I did low and then I did high because it wasn't giving an issue. It's pretty full though. So now I'm going to add in my cilantro, and I'm going to do about a handful here. One nice thing about putting it in the processor is you don't have all the labor intense of, oh, I am really pushing my luck here. This is, if anything squirts out of here, it is my very own doing. I cannot blame anyone but my own self. I mean, I can, but clearly they won't be to blame. Let's see if that cilantro even made it down the pike. Sorta. This makes just enough for my, there we go. Look at, that's what I needed to do. It was just sitting up there. This makes just enough for one of my big jars, and it lasts a week or so, depending on how much I use. And I don't know how you like your salsa, but obviously this isn't like the pico de gallo that I was talking about that's chunkier. That's really my favorite. But like I said, this is so much cheaper than how I buy it. So I'm just going to try a little bit of it to see if I need to do anything. I think I need to add some salt because I didn't. Oh gosh. Oh, it's good. It tastes so fresh. I love it. So as you can see, I got one large jar that I'm going to put in my refrigerator, and then I got another about 1.5 cups that I'm going to use in this Mexican dip that I'm going to make. It's new. I haven't made it before, hoping it's going to be tasty, but thought I'd try something new. I make often make the same, you know, same old over and over and over. So so I want to try making something different. So that is it. Another way to live simple, spend less, and be satisfied. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, leave me a comment or subscribe, and keep coming back for more. Ta-ta for now.